Please read the question. Draw a involute of an square of side 25 mm. Also draw tangent and a normal at any point on the curve. So 25 mm means 2.5 centimeter. Okay. The scale or drafters, what is called as a roll-on scale, draw one lighter line as a reference. Okay, now this is engineering template used to draw ready-made square of this part. Square, this will be pentagon part and this will be hexagon part. Okay, now we'll choose this square part. The side of the square given in the question is 25 mm. So look on to this template. Here you trace this what is called as a 25 mm side. First is small square represents 10 mm, next 15 mm, 20, 25 mm. The 25 mm side square has 4 corners. Okay, leaving the center, this is center of the square part, leave the center, count the number of holes which represents a 25 mm side. It's a 4th hole it comes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trace every 4th hole on your drawing sheet. Okay. The printed line of side 25 mm should, any one side of the printed line on your template should coincide with this reference line. So adjust your protector, what is called as a template, like this. Any one side of your template should match, 25 mm side should match with the drawn line as reference. Leaving the center, count the 4th hole. 4th hole and put a dot using pencil. Trace all the 4th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4th hole. So join all those points by freehand scale using HB pencil, so that you will get a square of side 25 mm, that is a 2.5 centimeter. Okay, let us give a name to the corners. This will be A, B, C, D. Okay, this is the first is the point A. Through point A, draw this horizontal line using 2H pencil. It's a construction line. Square is to draw by using HB. Then you draw horizontal line. Next to A is B. Extend this CB downward like this. Okay. Next B. Next is C. Extend this CD line like this, left hand side. Next to C is D. Extend this AD line upward. So you have to draw lines like this. Through A horizontal, through B vertical, through C horizontal, through D vertical. Okay. Using compass, take your HB pencil. The curve which we're going to draw is called involute of a square. Keeping B as center of your compass, AB as radius. Draw an arc downward like this. Using HB pencil. So this point of intersection with the vertical line shall be marked as first point P suffix 1. Similarly, after BC is the next point. Take CP1 as radius. CP1 as radius, draw an arc for 90 degree. Left side. Like this. Next to C is D. P2. Take DP2 radius in your compass, keeping D as a center. D as a center, draw an arc for 90 degree upward like this. Okay. And extend this line also. It should intersect with the curve. This point shall be marked as P3. Next, A as center, A P3 as radius, draw an arc for keeping A as center, A P3 as radius, draw an arc for 90 degree. Extend this line passing through point A. This point shall be marked as P4. Okay, this is a smooth curve obtained, is called involute of a square. Next in the question, it is also asked to draw tangent and normal at any point on the curve. Let me mark this as a point P. Okay, this point P comes in which quadrant? This is a quadrant. Suppose if you choose P in this part, means in this point of the curve, means this would be the quadrant. So this P comes under this quadrant. Join with D. The corner of the quadrant is D point. Join PD. Using HB pencil. This is asked in a question. This point shall be marked as say N. This will be N dash, called normal. If you draw a line perpendicular to n dash at the located point P, will forms a tangent. Okay, this tangent, normal and involute of square shall be drawn by using HB or H pencil. All other lines shall be drawn by using 2H pencil. So this completes the procedure. And thanks for listening. Yes.